Hey folks, my name is David Ross. Welcome to AI 3-Minute Master. As always, we're going to be learning a nifty teacher trick using ChatGPT or one of the other LLMs, your choice of course. First things first, in every single one of these lessons we're going to be accessing my prompt library, which is free and designed for teachers, K-12 and higher ed. The next screen you're going to see in the video is a QR code that links to the library or a URL. I want you to open that up and bookmark it because we're going to be using it today and from now on in everything we do. Hey folks, it's David Ross with today's AI 3-Minute Master lesson. We're going to focus on subplans, the bane of every teacher's existence. So as usual, we're going to open with our prompt library. I was at the bottom of it, which allows you to see how large this thing is. I originally searched with the word sub. That didn't work too well for me, so I'm going to actually search for subplans. It's going to give me a better return. I'm going to find the prompt. I'm going to copy it as always. I'm using a keyboard shortcut, Command C. Now I'm going to go over to ChatGPT, which is my standard LLM. You can use whichever one you want. I'm going to paste that in there. You will notice, as always, that the context is specific to me. So I'm going to be gone for 2 days. I need 2 days worth of subplans. I teach 8th grade math. I'm telling it the length of the class period. This is crucially important. My class periods are 50 minutes long, so I'm telling it in the prompt that these lessons need to be 50 minutes long. The topic we're looking at this week in my class is data analysis. So I want to attach the use of data analysis to something my kids care about, and we have a really successful girls basketball team. And so we're going to use data analysis and tie it to the girls basketball team. Now, I will repeat my task for the LLM. I'm telling it to create 2 days worth of lessons. I'm giving it a reminder because it can forget that each of these lessons is going to be 50 minutes long. And I wanted to use a real world example of basketball statistics and have the students do a data analysis. I'm telling it that the lesson plan should begin with an engaging activity and include a short assessment. You will, of course, sub in all of your specifics to the prompt that you're inputting. You're just using my prompt as a template. Let's see what it gives us back. Usually opens with a cheery greeting, which it did not do. All right, so the first lesson's coming through. I see it's giving me a list of materials needed. It's giving me a timed list of activities, 10 minutes for the warm-up, introduction to basketball statistics, group activity, group presentation, a discussion. Wow, that's pretty ambitious. Short assessment is 5 periods. Then day 2. So it's going to parlay the day 1 lesson for the sub into the day 2. You will, of course, review these before you turn them loose on a substitute teacher. You will, of course, ask ChatGPT or whichever LLM you're using to revise it to more fit the needs of your specific class. And then if there's anything you want to add, if you want to tell it you've got a specific technology, or the kids have Chromebooks or whatever, you're going to put that in there. And then you're going to copy them, print them out, and you're ready to go with a sub.